Happy New Year's and welcome to 2025 as Samsung is just days away from their official unveiling of the largest Galaxy S launch ever to the world. We are reaching boiling point. It's time to have a final look at some of the Galaxy S25 Ultra leaks this week, starting with perhaps the best news that pretty much confirms that this Galaxy S series phones are indeed going to be the most powerful Samsung devices ever. Yes, it seems like for the first time all Galaxy S25 models will have 12 gigs of RAM across all the storage options. Even with the super base model of the S25, you'll get 12 gigs of RAM. And in case you didn't know, we're gonna see Snapdragon 8 Elite across all the variants and all markets. It's gonna be epic. Moving on, Galaxy S25 series could have life-saving features thanks to car detection sensor. This info was revealed through the One UI 7 software code, and it could actually be enabled on the S25 series. In fact, Samsung is showing signs of pushing their satellite connectivity feature on the Galaxy S25 series and the Z Fold 6, as you can see with some of these screenshots, meaning we're definitely going to see this coming out with the S25 series as well. Hopefully, Samsung will finally make this happen once they announce these devices at the Unpacked event. Also, Samsung is once again bringing an exclusive feature that we're not going to see on other phones, especially their rival, the iPhone. Just like the Galaxy S24 Ultra that came with an exclusive Gorilla Glass display with anti-reflective properties, with S25 Ultra, Samsung is going next level using Corning's next-gen Gorilla Glass with even better anti-reflective properties. Apart from the anti-reflective properties, the glass itself will obviously be more durable than previous generation. Once again, it seems like the S25 Ultra might be the only phone with this exclusive feature. Also, we have 100% confirmation on the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera specs thanks to the software code. Once again, we have dual zoom setup, 5x and 3x lens, new ISOCELL JN3 50 megapixel ultra wide angle lens as it's confirmed, and finally the 200 megapixel ISOCELL HP2 main camera sensor. Now this is pretty cool. With the Galaxy S25 series, Samsung could offer free Gemini Advance. Yes, thanks to Samsung's partnership with Google, you could get free access to Gemini Advance, which normally costs $20 per month. According to the source, with Galaxy S25, you could get 3 months access to Gemini Advance, 6 months with the S25 Plus, and about 1 year with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung is indeed pretty serious about the AI stuff, and having Gemini Advance is definitely a pretty good way to go. With that being said, we're also going to have the advanced version of Bixby on the phone as well, so it's really going to be a pretty powerful AI mania phone. So there we go, that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you excited for the Galaxy S25 series? Subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.